In this video, we'll show you how to install MINI-ZB1GP, Zigbee Smart Power Meter. Inside the package, you will find MINI-ZB1GP device, quick guide, pre-use instructions. Before wiring, please make sure the power is turned off. Loosen the required screws. Check if there is a neutral wire in the wall box. Wire the device according to the wiring diagram. Make sure all connections are secure. Turn on the power. When powered on for the first time, the LED indicator will blink slowly, which means the device is in pairing mode. If not, press and hold the button on the device for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Open the eWeLink app. Select your Zigbee hub. Tap Add Device. Wait for the device to be discovered. Once added successfully, turn off the power. Install the device and the socket into the wall box. Then turn the power back on. After connecting the load, you can now monitor power consumption in real time and track electricity costs.